So inside this box lies something I think legendary, but getting it to where it wasn't easy. I mean, like any great heist or plan, it all starts off with a blueprint. So the plan was, the mission was to bring the iconic Pulp Fiction film poster or video cassette, I don't know, insert to life, but I had to make it in pure silver. So that was the starting point. And here it is, the prize, a two-piece silver panel that captures the very essence and spirit of Pulp Fiction. That iconic photo, which we all know. There she is on the bed with a cigarette, gun in front of her, looking at the magazine Pulp Fiction. And when the two pieces come together, they just form the masterpiece. And it's just like the film's unforgettable duo, isn't it? The two of them coming together. And this piece, it was one that I really wanted to do. This is actually the showcase lot in my upcoming auction. I've got an auction that's coming up on the 26th of July, Sunday the 26th of July. And it's on Stackers Social. I'll put a link in the description below. And all these pieces, there's 30 pieces in total, and this is the showcase of the wholesale. This is lot number 30. It's going to be the last lot. So as I said, if you do want to check it out or you want to bid, link in the description below to Stackers Social, and you'll find a lot more information, and hopefully I'll see you there. And yeah, this was my favourite piece of the whole auction, Pulp Fiction. Cheers for watching.